go. Cab mirror. 77700 B5059. Got a nice little accessory brochure. Your hardware here. Need all of it except for these 2 bolts. This be for the old cab, different cab. Here we go. First thing I want to do is take this off, take this nut off, take that washer off, apply a little more. Screws in a little. Usually loose. That one wasn't bad. Alright. Gotta put this nut on. Block washer back on. Well, hopefully this thread's in alright. Millimeter wrench, we'll tighten that up. Here we have the door bracket. Need this hardware here. We're gonna need this, this. We'll take them all. Let's start off with a 12 millimeter. All sides. That one came out. Usually one of these will be cranky. Come on. There we go. Save those for our buckets. Alright, that's a 14 mil, 13 millimeter nut. Oops. How's this angle doing? Is that better? Yeah, keep the door shut while you're doing this project. Alright. 14, 13. Torque to spec. I just somehow magically gotta line it through all these holes here. There we go. Little added bonus. Just put a drop. Right there. I'm gonna put a drop right on those threads. Yeah, it's got a plunger on it. That's my favorite bolt. And we got a 14, 13. Just tighten these up. Very important, you want to feel the friction. It's kind of too loose. How's the mirror feel? That feels good. How's that feel? Ooh, that feels good. Tools down, cap away.